Hey everyone! Welcome back to SourceLine, where accuracy meets audience. Today, we're diving into a topic that's shaking every newsroom, studio, and creator space: AI and the future of media. Will AI replace journalists? Will creators lose jobs? Let's find out. You know what's funny? We say AI is the future, but actually AI is already everywhere. From YouTube recommending videos, Netflix predicting shows, to news apps alerting you first, AI is quietly running the show. Here's the shocker: AI can already write basic news, weather, sports, stocks. But does that mean journalists are finished? No. AI can write information, but only humans can tell stories with emotion, context, and insight. For creators, AI is like giving you superpowers. Editing, subtitles, thumbnails, even music, AI speeds up your workflow. Remember spending hours editing? AI does it in minutes, letting you focus on creativity. AI is powerful, but risky. Deepfakes, fake voices, edited clips, misinformation spreads fast. But AI is also the solution: detectors, verification tools, metadata checks. Journalists must be half reporters, half detectives. If you're studying mass communication, here's the future: AI content editor, digital storyteller, data journalist, VR creator, audience engagement specialist, fact-checking analyst. The future belongs to those who can use technology creatively. AI will change media, but it won't replace creativity. Human creativity plus AI speed equals mind-blowing content. Stay curious, stay creative, and embrace AI as your assistant, not your competitor. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which part of the AI media world do you want to explore next? Editing, journalism, or content creation? Stay tuned, stay updated, see you in the next update.